Good morning, children, and welcome to the EVS2 class. So, children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, isn't it? So, children, shall we start with our EVS2 lesson? Okay. So, children, what is the lesson that we were doing? We were doing lesson 7, that is United We Stand, and it is the part 1. Okay, there are two parts, United We Stand part 2, United We Stand part 1. So now we are doing United We Stand part 1. So shall we start with the lesson? We already have started with the lesson. So let's see which are the topics we have finished. Let's do a quick recap of the topics before we begin with our new topic. So let's see. So okay, this is the lesson that we have done. United We Stand. And first, we have studied about the languages, isn't it? Their Hindi and English are the official languages. Okay, official languages. What does official languages mean? That is used by the population of that state, and also it is used in the office of that state. Okay, it is considered by the government to use the language in the official work. Okay, and how many official languages are there? There are 22 official languages, and apart from the 22 official languages, India has 1600 languages. Okay, apart from the 22 languages, India has 1600 more languages which are not officially recognized. Okay, now let's go to the next topic, which is different styles of living. Okay, after the official languages, we come to the topic, which is different styles of living. And India, we know India is a land of different style of living. So many states are there, 29 states are there, and India is a land of different styles. In these 29 states, people who stay in these 29 states, they have different they eat different food items, they wear different attires, the traditional wear is different, then their diet is different, their language is different. So children, in our in this topic we have studied about the different children states, and what are the different food habits, their language, their traditional attire. So let's see some of the before going to a new topic, let's see at least at least we can see at least 2 to 3 different styles of living. And here we can see one picture, it's in a book only, one picture of a Kashmiri girl has been shown, and she's from which state? Jammu and Kashmir, and she speaks Kashmiri and Urdu, her official language, and her traditional attire is fairan, and her food is kulcha and rogan josh. One more is there, that is of a person from Rajasthan. Okay, and he is telling okay hello in the what, and he is telling hello in Rajasthani language, and it is how it's pronounced, khamma khani. Okay, and his official language is Hindi and Rajasthani, and he is wearing bright turban, cotton angarkha. The top is called angarkha, and dhoti and dal bati. So children, this is an example of only two from 2 states. Okay, there are so many states in India, and the traditional attire is also different of all the states. The language is different, official language, and their food is also different. Okay, in my last class I have shown you some pictures, isn't it, of some food items, of different styles of dresses the people wear. Okay, so let's move. And remember one thing, in spite of the different traditional attire, the different languages, their different way of eating, then their languages and everything, what is there in India? There's unity. Okay, unity is there in India. This is unity. In spite of so many different languages, okay, in spite of so many different traditional attire in India, there is unity. And this is the lesson, united we stand. So now let's move to the next topic. One more you can see, children, a person from Nagaland, then a person from Maharashtra, their way of wearing clothes, okay, their diet is different, the way the official language is different, but still they'll all live united. We all live united in India. Now today what we are going to study, we are going to study about the diversity. Why India has different languages, types of food, clothing, why India has variety of these things. Okay, diversity means what does diversity mean? This is very important, children. Diversity means a variety or range of different things. Why this variety is there in everything in India? So let's see. Here it's given reasons for diversity. India has cold mountains in the north. The first reason is that because of the climate. Okay, the most important thing India has is a land of various climate. You have studied in the previous chapter. Okay, before this chapter we have studied about the physical features of India, and in there you can see the various physical features: the northern plain, the northern mountain, the great Indian desert, the coastal plains, then the plateaus and highlands of India. Everything we have studied, and in these physical features we have come across different types of what? Different types of climate. Okay, different types of climate. Since India has variety of physical features, so that's why due to variety of physical features, India has variety of climate also. And this is the main reason for the diversity in everything, for variety of things in clothing, language, the way people eat, their food, everything, their dresses, everything, this variety is there because of the climate. And what is that? India has cold climate, mountains in the north and warm plains in the south. We have dry heat in the west and humidity in the east. The climate and physical features affect the culture of each region. So this climate and physical features, they affect the culture of each region. We have cold mountains in the north, warm plains in the south. Towards the west we have very dry, the weather is very dry, and towards this eastern part, okay, like which comprises of the seven states, northeastern states, what is the humidity? So much humidity is there. Humidity means the water vapor which is there in the air. It's very high. So due to the climate and physical features, the variety of climate and physical features which is there in India, what happens? The culture is also different. It affects the culture of each region. Now let's move to the next. What is given? Diversity in India. And so here it's given, children, climate and physical features also affect the crops grown. So climate and physical features also affect the cultivation of that area. The staple diet or main food depends on what is easily available. So children, what happens when the climate also, what happens? According to the climate, people grow crops, and the crop which is mainly grown in that state, people eat that as the main food item. We all know in Assam, rice is grown. It is the rice, the cultivation of rice which is grown so much. Okay, and so we, the people of India, what do we take? We take rice as our main staple diet. Okay, it's the main diet because of the growth of, now in Assam's climate is suitable for the growth of rice, and so rice is our main diet, staple diet. Okay, we take rice because rice is available here. Now in the state of Punjab, rice is not grown so much. Wheat is grown because the climate of Punjab is suitable for the growth of wheat, and people there, what they do, they eat wheat, not rice, because wheat is grown there, and rice is the staple diet of Punjab. Now let's see, children, the diversity in India. Now first we can see here, children, first of the northern region, we can see here it is cold in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, and so on. And so in this region, what is the clothing? People use warm woolen clothing. Kashmiri Pashmina shawls and shawls from Nagaland and Manipur are famous. So here people, they wear warm and woolen clothes, okay, and it's very cold. And which are the region? It's Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, and so on. And what is the food? The food is seasonal fruits and vegetables are used to make food. And what is the meat is also popular here. So this is the diet of the northern states, okay, which experiences cold. We have these are the states, okay children: Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, then we have Arunachal Pradesh, the northern states, Sikkim, okay. These are the northern states which experience cold, okay. And here people, what they do, they wear warm and woolen clothes. You can see here children a picture of a boy from Kashmir. What type of cloth? The old man is also wearing a warm clothes. Then this is a picture from Shimla, which is in Himachal Pradesh, okay. And you can see here children what they are wearing. They are wearing warm woolen clothes, okay, to keep themselves warm. Now children, this is one more children I would like to show you. And this is children of the state of Rajasthan, okay. And in the state of Rajasthan, what they do, they wear cotton clothes, okay. Unlike the state of Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir, in the state of Rajasthan, what they have dry climate, okay. And what they are wearing cotton clothes, okay. So you have seen in the state of Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir, they are wearing warm clothes. But in Rajasthan, okay, Rajasthan, where is Rajasthan? Rajasthan is in Thar. It is in the desert region. So there the people experience summer, okay, very warm climate. And what due to that, people wear woolen clothes. Here you can see the men, they're wearing woolen clothes. The women also, they wear bright colored clothes, but they are wearing woolen clothes. Isn't it children? Okay. So what are the new words we have found in this lesson? We have found children, the new words are humidity, affect, staple diet, and available. Okay, these are the new words. You please write these new words in your copy. These are the new words children. In the next live class, I'll ask the meaning also and I'll ask the spelling also. So what did we learn today children? We learned that climate affects the, what does it affect? If it affects the diversity in the culture of an area, okay. And India has different climate due to the different physical features, and that's why in India so much diversity in there. We have seen in Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, then children in Shimla, people wear warm woolen clothes, okay. Their way of, they wear warm clothes also. What is their food? They eat, what they eat children? They eat seasonal fruits, okay. But at the same time, when we go to Rajasthan and Gujarat, which is towards the western part of India, they experience warm climate. And also there what they do, yes children, they wear cotton clothes. And what is their food? Their food is bajre ki roti. So children, we have studied that climate and physical features affect the culture of each region. So here there are two questions, okay. You'll have to think and write the answer of this question. Raghu goes on a trip to a region where people use warm woolen clothes. Kashmiri Pashmina shawls for winter. Can you tell which region Raghu visited and which food is popular there? So this you'll have to think and answer. This is your homework question. I'll upload in the Google Classroom. Then number 2, in the desert of Rajasthan and Gujarat, people wear silk clothes that are dull and not so colorful. Is the statement correct? If not, then uh, write the correct statement. So this also you'll have to think and write the answer. So children, we shall stop till here. Until we meet in the next class, prepare the questions and then children study them. Okay. So children, have a good day and bye bye.